Welcome, beautiful, to your evening wind down. The day is done. Go ahead and get comfortable. Do your knees need to be propped up? Snuggle those shoulders under your heart. Allow your body to be supported by the bed or wherever you're lying. Notice the breath coming in through your nose and let it gently leave your mouth. Breathing in through the nose, can you feel the warmth of your breath as it leaves your lips? Let this be a quiet signal to your body that the day is done. From the top of your head, take a breath in and imagine warm honey coating your body as long as you're inhaling. Covers your shoulders. Exhale, and the honey pauses and seeps in. And as you inhale again, that warm honey goes down from your shoulders, caressing every part of your inner organs, fascia, tissue, bones, everything that's made up of that beautiful body. And as you exhale, it nourishes and penetrates within. And taking another deep inhale, noticing, visualizing this warm, gooey honey covering more of your body down into your hips, in your pelvic bowl. And as you exhale, every part of your insides are nourished. The cells move freer. The nerves settle. And as you continue breathing in, the rest of your body is coated in this beautiful golden syrupy thick honey. Your insides are soft. Your cells are moving around. And you can finally feel and notice the weight of your physical being on the place that you're laying. You don't have to hold yourself or anything together. You've been carried around by that body of yours all day long. The responsibilities, conversations, decisions, and care. It's done. You did it. And you don't need to bring anything into your restful night of sleep. Can you let what you've done today be enough? Can you take a breath, and as you exhale, can you really luxuriate in that exhale knowing, I did enough. You did enough. You are allowed to feel in this moment the texture of your own breath, the softness of your own heart. You're allowed to rest. And as you rest in this space, the day is closed up. Imagine a balloon within your thoughts of the day. And just like a balloon that you would blow up, the end of it would be tied off. And if you were to let that balloon go, full of helium, it would just drift away. And that's what you envision now. So you take your day, tying off the ends, and you just open your fingers and it floats away. You're laying there and you notice this balloon of the day drifting further and further, and you feel more free and lighter as it goes beyond your own sight. No more attachments, Nothing else to think about. Gratitude for your health, for your feet that took you in all the places, the legs that carried your weight, your muscles that supported every action you did, your midsection, and all of your vital organs that did everything they needed to keep you well and functioning and alive without you having to do anything. They took care of you without you having to do anything. What a relief that you don't have to tell your eyes to blink, your digestive enzymes to secrete, your stomach to digest, your kidneys, your liver, your spleen, all of it. You don't have to instruct it. You simply trust in your body and it does its own magic. Thank goodness, huh? Can you feel that hint of gratitude bubbling up by your recognition of your own body? See, she likes that. She likes to be noticed, just as you do by other people. You taking this pause to feel grateful for your body and all of her functions. Can you sink into that gratitude a little bit more? Get cozy in it. In this limbo state of today's balloon gone and tomorrow's bubble not yet forming. You're between, and you get to choose what you want to feel. Like gratitude, you get to choose to let go. You are not the sum of your thoughts or your actions. You are this essence that's listening sweetly, hearing everything and just being there. You came here to live this life with purpose, with passion, with love. And through the adulting, you get to choose in these moments of in between. You get to, similar to trying shoes on, try on what you want more of. Do you want more space? Do you want more luxuriating? Do you want more glow? It's all within you, and that which you long for is yours already, just calling your attention back to it. So if you want more abundance, imagine you're going to sleep. The day is gone and waves of support, financial, emotional, physical support all around you. Cascades of money in your account that you didn't even know. Affections being gently offered to you. Unexpected gifts. A smile to something that you've been craving. Imagine it. Whatever it is you want, how does it feel? Pretend. Feel it. Maybe you have a memory of what it felt like at once in your life. Now expand on it. Perhaps even the corners of your mouth are lifting up into a subtle smile, or you're feeling more stress subside. Perhaps some warmth around your heart or your belly. And as your breath is breathing you, you're noticing these sensations all around you, sensations of your desires, of your life that you are here to live, that one that is so fulfilling that you cannot wait to wake up to tomorrow. In all of your flirt, in all of your beauty, in all of your perfect health and fitness. Yes, that's you. Your body knows how to restore. Your energy knows when you let go. Everything knows how to recalibrate and how to bring and call forward the things that you crave, that you deserve, that you're ready for. Stay here as long as you like. Envisioning, feeling sensations. And let yourself drift into deeper relaxation, heaviness. You did excellent today. You did enough today.